Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Siri and reminders can work together. Enable Hey Siri and the side button shortcut, and give reminders permission to use location and notifications so it can alert you. Once done, open Reminders and pick or create a default list. This makes new items land where you expect them. Now practice with a short command so you confirm the voice path. Say a simple reminder to verify mic and permissions are functioning before moving to multi-step tasks. You'll now create specific, actionable reminders using natural phrases. Tell Siri something like, "Remind me to call Jamie tomorrow at 3 p.m. in work list," and Siri will parse time, list, and task. For place-based alerts, say, "When I arrive at home, remind me to unload groceries," because location triggers reduce missed tasks. Make sure to add notes or subtasks by following up with commands like add note, bring receipt, so you keep context and priority clear for each item. Finish by managing and resolving issues. You can edit a reminder hands-free. Say, change my 3 p.m. reminder to 4 p.m., or mark grocery reminder as completed. If Siri mishears, pause and repeat slowly, or open the reminder and use keyboard dictation to correct wording. That avoids repeated failures. If reminders don't sync or appear, toggle reminders permissions, restart Siri, and check iCloud sync. These steps fix most permission or sync problems so your reminders behave reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.